What's going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the Diamond Kingdom. It's the Diamond Lion, and today we are going to be looking at another farm. So, the other day I did a farm video about our iron golem farm, and that's over there. So if you're interested in getting unlimited iron, make sure to check that video out. But for today, what we're going to be doing is looking at a really effective farm for skeletons. Skeletons are, when I saw this spawner, I was thrilled because skeletons are a really effective farm for a multitude of reasons. One is they're an easier mob to kill, and two, the loot. The loot they drop is you can get armor, you can get I'm trying to think of what else. There's so much you can get, right? You could get arrows, which is really effective. Actually, for me right now, that's really nice, being able to get arrows. So you're able to get arrows, bows, right? Bow and arrows. Bones, right? Bones are good for getting dogs. Bones are good for a multitude of things. And what you're looking at with this build is a really good loot farm. So hopefully this helps you guys out. Look how much iron we have. So anyway, let's get over to our area. So what I'm going to show you today is it's actually really close to the base, and I always recommend make sure you explore the heck out of your area, because more likely than not there is going to be dungeons and spawners and things like that literally right underneath your house. So if you're paying attention and you're doing what you need to do with your, if you're being proactive with your mining and things like that, you should be able to find these really quickly. So let's try to find it. I gotta remember. Yeah, okay, it's over here. So look how close it is to our base. It is so freaking close. And like I said, I was so happy when I found this. And it's actually not, I didn't realize I could have put my horse up against here. Oh well. It is really close to our area. So let's get down here. Oh! And that's why I need a water bucket. And now I'm getting raided. Oh man, this has been a heck of a video. So much for trying to do this with you guys. Oh my goodness. Come on. This is not what I wanted to be doing right now. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? I just wanted to show you guys my XP farm. This is not what I wanted. Let's just head over there. I don't even care about these guys. They're gonna do their thing. Just leave me alone. I do not want a villager raid right now. I'm trying to make a video for the people. So let's head over. Oh Jesus, I'm going. See, now I'm all flustered. They're like throwing me off. I think the raid is right over here, isn't it? Right? Oh no. No. Okay, I'm just gonna avoid them. So let's get back over here. So that's another thing right off the bat, I will say. If you're going to do that method that I just did, please make sure that you have water at the bottom. I was in the process of doing it, but I didn't, and I paid the ultimate price. Do not do what I just did. And oh man, I'm really embarrassed right now. That is like a terrible look when you're trying to make a video and I look like such a freaking noob. I'm sorry, guys. I cannot believe that just happened. So anyway, let's get back to what the main part of this video is supposed to be. And that is our XP farm. So good thing, because now I just lost that 28 XP I had. Thanks a lot. That 28 XP, now we got to restore that. So how do you do that? Not by doing that. Okay, this is not how I wanted this video to go. This is not a good start. So let's try and kind of correct our problems here. So let's get our bucket right there. Sweet. Got this, got this. So everything is now somewhat coming back to order. So what we're going to do is, now that we've got the spawner, so the spawner is actually right here, and that's our spawner setup. And what you're going to do is you're going to dig 4 blocks on each side. This guy's not going to leave, is he now? Yeah, he's not. He's going to bug me. 4 blocks on each side. He's going to freaking kill me, isn't he? Alright, okay. So 4 blocks on each side. He is being a pest. And then what you're going to do from there is, it's got to be 4 blocks up. And then, I'm trying to remember the last thing. 4 water buckets right here. Okay. And then you're going to need a hole in the middle, just like that. And that's going to go 10 blocks down. Look at that. They spawned on the spot. Johnny on the spot. They were ready to try and kill me any way they could. So that's that. And now we're going to go to the actual loot area. And that's going to be underneath our spawners. So let's go over here. It's a pretty easy build, and you can see how effective. I mean, it works pretty good. And then you're going to just put a hopper here up against this, and this is where you're going to collect all your loot. Now the best thing to do is AFK, because they can't actually shoot you from here. Unlike where we were upstairs, you are very vulnerable. Not here. Everything's going to collect down here, right? You got the trap door right here, which is very nice, and they will spawn right there. Oh my god. No! 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 Get out of here. I'm not dropping. Why am I not dropping? Why am I not dropping? This is... I'm gonna die. What? Let me go down. Why isn't it letting me go down? What is going on? I'm gonna frickin' die. What in the world is this? Oh my god. No. Oh my god. Alright, so please do not do that. Unless you absolutely have to, do not do that, because you will die. So anyway, let's go back. And this is what you're going to have. And really quickly, you're going to see a lot of material. Look how quick. I mean I went up a lot because I do have a looting 3 sword, which I tried to restore, and it was going to take 25 XP. So yeah, that sword's going to stay there. But that's what you're going to get here, and you're going to get a lot of loot relatively quickly. So I definitely recommend this farm. It's really helpful. You're going to get XP, maybe not as quick as I am right now because of the looting sword, but it is still a very effective way of getting bones, arrows, bows, bones, arrows, and of course there's always the chance skeletons can drop some sort of armor. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this build. Like I said, hopefully you guys like this type of video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching me die, watching me almost die. And yeah, it's a really simple farm overall. I just did a video on the iron farm. That was way more complicated than this. So hopefully you guys liked the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, also let me know. And that's going to do it for today, guys. Peace out.